One place that we really enjoy eating for breakfast down here in the Smoky Mountains is called Crockett's Breakfast Camp. They have all kinds of different breakfast items that are, it's great. It's kind of a real throwback place. And the building, the way that they have constructed the building, you would think that it's an old barn or something out in the middle of nowhere once you actually get inside. Hello. Abston.
Abston, gotcha. You want to take them to 201? Hold on.
Okay.
The menu is in the newspaper. The service is going to be right with you.
All right, thank you.
Last time we get here, we said it was
Yep. These menus look like old newspapers. Thank you. Salt shakers and the pepper shakers are mason jars. Look at how much stuff is crammed into this omelet. It is packed full. Crockett's Breakfast Camp, thumbs way up.